Last week we talked about a positive correlation between crude oil and the Canadian dollar. This week we're going to dig into a lesser discussed currency versus commodity pair, and that's gold versus the Australian dollar. Now, Australia is the third largest producer of gold in the world, and the U.S. is the third largest importer, so it stands to reason that the pair should have some level of positive relationship. Of course, the Aussie dollar is also tied to economic activity in Asia, as Australia is a large importer to those countries. But the positive correlation to gold prices has been strong over the last year and a half. Since June of 2021, the broad directional moves of both gold and the Aussie dollar have been in lockstep, including some major directional pivots that have occurred within days of each other. However, on January 31st, gold began a 9.5% move up that broke it out of a long-term channel, while the Aussie dollar hasn't followed suit and continues to trade sideways. Many traders are of the opinion that Aussie may be remaining weak against the greenback because of the Fed's hawkish resolve, or possibly a flight to safety caused by global tensions. Now, if a trader believes that the move higher in gold is an indication that Aussie could soon follow suit, an example of how to trade that thesis could be to buy the CME March micro Aussie dollar contract at current level of 0.7270 and target the November highs at 0.7500. A stop for this trade could be placed at 0.7150. This trade would make $230 if your target is reached and risk $120 if you're stopped out at your level. Conversely, if a trader believes that the Aussie dollar is heading lower, perhaps as a result of geopolitical tensions forcing money into the US dollar from other currencies, they could express that by selling the CME Micro March Aussie dollar contract at 0.7270 and target technical support from February at 0.7100, and a stop for this trade could be placed just above January highs at 0.7320. This trade could make $170 if your target is reached and risk $50 if you're stopped out at your level.